As a result of the implementation of the warrant to search, seize, and examine computer data, we were able to arrest 39 individuals. 9 of that 39 individuals is a foreign national, 8 Chinese national, and 1 Taiwanese national, and the rest are Filipinos. There are 3 rooms in that unit, kaya iba't ibang room per trabaho. We seized 9 laptop, more than 20 computer systems. Ayan, nakita nyo sa baba. And 200 cellular phones used for investment and money scam. Well, itong patuloy natin na pakikipag-ugnayan sa ating mga kababayan, marami na rin po talagang nagbibigay ng informasyon sa atin para lang sagawa tayo ng mga ganitong operation. Actually, kung matatandaan natin kung kailan sila nag-stop ng Congo operation, ito yung mga nag-splinter into different small groups at nagkaroon ng guerrilla type operation. So ito yung inahabol natin ngayon. In fact, itong grupo na to galing to sa isang malaking grupo na inoperate ng ACG last year.